Hi everybody, it's Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors, and I'm coming to you from inside of the From How to Wow Volume 3 home. And I'm super excited to show you the before and after photos and give you some of the details on that. But first, I want to thank you for following along on our Instagram and Facebook feed for the past few weeks while we posted the progress of this home. My client has done an amazing job flipping this house from something not so great to what you see behind me, and you're going to be blown away by the before and after photos. So this house, located on 1098 Oleander Drive here in El Centro, is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, obviously completely remodeled. It sits on a corner lot, so we have over 7,500 square feet of lot, 1-car garage, we have side access, a huge backyard. Inside, you're going to notice a ton of upgrades, and I'll just name a few. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You even have a pot water filler over the stove, a Nest thermostat, recessed lighting, LED, all brand new windows, new paint, you name it, it's here. So take a look through these videos and I'll talk to you at the end. Thank you so much for watching the video today, and I hope you enjoyed the before and after photos of the property. Again, this home, located on 1098 Oleander Drive here in El Centro, is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Going to be listed for $189,900. Invite you to come to our open house that we'll be having next Tuesday, December 4th. We'll be here on site from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. One of my preferred lenders, Joanna Caballero from Fairway Lending, will be here to join me for any of your pre-qualification needs. Again, look forward to seeing you next Tuesday, December 4th, from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And as always, you can reach out to me at 760-604-3166 if you have any real estate needs. Thanks so much.